Let's see what else we got. We got four more boxes. These are big boxes. Good packaging, doesn't go clunk clunk. It's a good packaging job. They're fragile though. It says so right on the box. Oop. Fragile, don't drop. Let's see here. Nice packaging. Ooh, cylinders. Lots of popcorn. See, that's good packaging. Yeah, that cylinder's not going anywhere. This is like good solid heavy duty popcorn. It doesn't disintegrate when you push against it. Good stuff. But messy. Makes a mess when you pull stuff out. These are 45 cylinders. You can tell because they're small, they're not very heavy. Another box of them over there. There must be multiple boxes of these things. There's a buying spree. I'm always on a buying spree. Right. Box number 1. Oh, yeah, feels like the same thing. Ooh, that one busted through slightly. Box number 2. This one says it's heavy. Handle with care. It's heavier than the other one. Does that mean there's 3 of them in here, or maybe there's a big one next down? Doesn't feel like a flywheel. Feel like more cylinders. What do we got in here? Oh, same packaging. This guy's experienced on shipping this stuff. Oh, yeah, he's got this down good. Oh, this one's extra reinforced. It's got cardboard on it. Oh, this must be a trike cylinder. Got studs on it. Studs poke through. Cardboard. Yep, studs. It's taller than the other one. You can't see that though. See, it's taller than this one, so it's got studs sticking through it. Another one. I'm working on a 4-cylinder Harley. 4 flatheads. Do you believe that? No. Alright, let's see what we got here. 1, 3, 4, and 2. Are they all fronts, or we got some rear ones mixed in here? This is the front. Exhaust is there. Intake is over there. Makes it a front. Better do this on the floor. This is softer compounding. Like this. Just watch your feet. Watch your tootsies. Boom. See how quick and easy that is? Oh, we got a piston with that one. You let the weight help you. Oh, broken pin in shipping. Oh, damaged goods. Get my money back. That's a rear one. Those are the hard ones to get. Look at all the broken fins in there though. Broken cylinder. That's, ooh, geez, look at all the broken ones over here. Got a lot of broken fins on that one. Alright, what do we got here? Extra heavy duty. Almost hit my foot. Got about 1/8 of an inch clearance. There's a front one, looks good. One more. Ah, that hit my ankle. It went clunk right there. Yeah, another piston. Alright, another front. There you go, that's how you unpack these things. Yeah, got particles on the floor now. Yeah, dirty. I gotta clean my floor. That's a dirty floor down there. I'm gonna clean my floor.